So sun's coming up and we're going car booting. Hey mate, how much for these?
£2 on that one.
£2?
Yeah, the pop heads are a £5.
Okay.
And then Batman things are £2 as well.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
£2.
That's a good day with this whole series of bonanza, he would die.
Where is the dude? Oh, there he is. Can I get the 2 of them, please?
Yeah, sure, love, yeah. Thanks very much. Thank you. Two. Oh, the
2 of the little
Sorry,
ones.
I thought you meant the pop head, yeah.
Oh, that's all right.
I thought that's right.
How much are these?
£5 each, love. So you want £8, don't you? That's two.
No, £6.
£6.
Yep.
Sorry, yeah. I thought
Unless you
only
want to
bought
do.
one. I thought you only bought one, yeah. So you want £6? Yeah.
Yeah.
There's your one.
Thanks. It's in rough shape. Broken and shit. Everything's broken.
I said you got the one right on you.
No, I think it's somebody else. Somebody brand new. Yeah. I've got a rose there. Recognise them. It could have been. I had a load of roses last year. Yeah. What's that? Oh, that's good now, that. Yeah.
Right, Dad, how
I
do you
don't
put
think we
this?
get many
It's okay. Have to take yourself
How much are your Wii games?
most of them are £4 each, unless they've got a price on like these.
Okay.
We have 2 and take £1 off the total.
Gotcha. Three for $5. Are these the die cast? Oh, wrestlers. Newer ones. Rather have older. Let's see what we got here. 2003. That's broken. You don't even belong in there. You got something? How much was it? 12. 12? Oh, I don't know why I hear 12. How much are your dogs?
They're 5.
5?
I'd only go cheap on them, to be honest, but I don't know what cheap is for you.
We've got some stuff in here, haven't we? We've bought too much, haven't we?
Right.
Are you happy with that, mate? Yeah? Bless you. Yeah, cheers.
Oh, gander in there.
There's some cool ceramic dogs over there, but I don't know much about
I
them.
don't know. See that big tiger's head?
Yes,
Jesus.
it's amazing.
They're £90. They're 200.
Yeah, that was
Really good for displaying thimbles or cars.
Or weed winsies.
Or brooches.
Mm.
Or brooches, yeah.
Yes.
Actually, yeah.
How much is this?
Faye, how much did you want for your car display cabinet?
£3?
Yeah, £3.
All right then. Let's do that.
If you're into costume jewellery, if it's just into brooches, that's fine. But if you're into costume jewellery, there's a selection of vintage costume jewellery in there.
She is. Let me get
There's
my
some
money
bits
out.
in there from 30s, 40s, 50s, and then a lot from modern.
Here we go. Here's £3.
Far too much, thank you. Far too much vintage jewellery.
There's a new pan, big pan.
Did it?
Brand new. I just why did you do that? You should have gone to something else. You have to pick them up all the time.
How much you selling this for?
Couple of quid.
Couple of quid? All right. I think I'm down to only notes. Can you break a $5?
Sorry?
Can you break a $5?
Yes, I think I've missed about.
So I've gone through my shrapnel already.
Want a fidget spinner? Anybody want a fidget spinner?
I'm fidgety enough.
What you got here?
Those. Oh, wow. Wow.
That's a proper piece of kit, that, isn't it?
You could do your secret taping.
Yeah, there you go.
Government officials.
For MI5 or something.
It's a collector's item from somebody, but we're not. We're interested in raising money for charity, so.
Ooh, the front's coming off. Is that where the wires are? Like, you know, sometimes they store like the leads in there. Do you have the leads?
No. Let's see. That's a power, and then you put your microphone in here.
Right. Okay. How much are these?
Make me an offer.
5 each.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's all goes to charity, so I appreciate it.
Those are cool.
God bless.
There we go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Easy on you today, is he?
No, it's all right. We have. This
Ooh,
is
that's
the
heavy.
back- You can imagine what we're like when we're in Romania. Oh, dear.
I'll be drinking.
Yeah. We're going in that
Thank you.
minibus. We'll be going in that minibus,
Yeah.
driving over, and the banter starts as soon as we leave.
Really.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Enjoy.
Have a bit of a play around.
New toy.
Oh yeah, bless you.
Thank you. Sorry, girl. I took all your space up with my tiger head.
No, you didn't. I haven't even picked up that much, really.
Put that here. Thank you.
That's what I brought it for.
Let me take that, please.
Oh yes, please.
Because my back could not handle
Girl,
that.
that's why I said. Because you could put. I mean, they'll fit in the juke. That's the thing.
Okay, now this is going to give me my exercise now. Aw,
I know, right? These two?
what kind of vinyl we got?
Oh, I don't know. Let me let you.
It's Elvis and Elvis and Elvis.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, £6. Is that their actual price?
They cost £3 or £4 each.
Yeah,
to buy.
seriously. Yeah. I like San Francisco.
I did. I really enjoyed that.
I want to go back real bad. I didn't get to do everything I wanted to do there.
Tram's a fantastic art.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
They see 'em. Real wolves. I could ride on them all day long.
You should, because it's really pretty.
I'm going to look at these vinyls.
Yeah.
How much are your vinyl?
50p each, £3-4.
I can't find any 80s rock. That's what I really want.
Got thousands and thousands at home.
Do ya?
You know the big storage boxes?
Yeah.
Got 3 of them full.
Oh, man.
A load of cardboard boxes full of them, big cardboard boxes.
Yeah, that's the stuff I'd like.
But no one brings them all with me. Just fill all the car up then. So.
Yeah, yeah.
So much
Can imagine.
bring and pack.
Oh, look at that.
I know, I like those.
Is this your stuff too?
I like the clear color.
How much is your popcorn maker?
£2.
Oh, that's cute. Good dog.
Let me see if I can reach them. Oh, no, maybe not. Thank you. I'll give it a go.
That's all.
Here you go, mate. Thank you.
Thank you. Have fun with it.
Thanks. It looks cool. Oh, I saw Albany. I was like, Albany. It's definitely not Albany.
Maybe back in the day.
Still have all the pieces. Wow.
How much is this?
I think I've got just a couple of pounds.
Coming back walking, aren't they? Davey bought little one. Yeah, they're coming back again, aren't they?
My goal with this car boot was to find vintage electronics, Most of it was broken, so no luck there, but I did pick up a few things, and here's what I listed them for.